Hello, my name is Sister Poji, and today I'll be playing Donkey Kong in the arcade for the 1980s. Now, this game basically inspired the whole platformer genre, and as a whole gave birth to the Super Mario Bros. Franchise. So I'm gonna dive right into it. So you have Donkey Kong, and then you have Pauline there, who would basically like Pauline would be like the Peach of this game, and Donkey Kong's the Bowser of this game. And you have Jumpman, who would come to be known as Mario. All right. So as part of your basic platform routine, you have your basic run and jump moves. There's obstacles you have to dodge as well. Pretty standard fare at the time. Oop, and I died. Like arcade games, this game it was pretty endless, but you do have a set amount of lives, but you can replenish them by getting enough points through the hammer power-ups. I'm kind of bad at this. The scoring is pretty repetitive too, but it's still pretty catchy, so can't complain. Dang, I died again. Yeah. This basically was the basis of making platformer games at the time of like how you had to run and jump to dodge the obstacles, and there are also power ups in the forms of the hammer. They could also use to make like destroying enemies and obstacles in your pathway easier. For an arcade game, the graphics are actually pretty well done. Like DK sprite in this game is pretty well done, all things considered. Like the movement on it as he throws the barrels down is pretty like detailed too in its own way. And of course, you have like the basic high score system there to motivate you to keep playing the game and eventually keep spending your quarters. Dang. Well, that's Donkey Kong for the arcade for you. Pretty good game. It's like instant hit when you're watching the arcades. Uh, it's it was basically like the basis of like almost every platform I've played, like Super Mario Brothers and especially Donkey Kong Country in a way. And it basically gave birth to those games as a whole. So you have to come to respect it. Like eventually, there's still some pretty neat ideas you can find in this game. All right, thanks for listening, and have a great day.